Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Fox Focus. This is Case or No Case. I'm Audra Williams, and that's my friend Jeff Pitman. He's here to give us a few scenarios to test how well we know the law. How are you, Jeff?
I'm doing really well. How are you?
Well, I'm doing well as can be. I'm really excited to talk to you and find out what you have for us today.
Well, I'm excited to be here, and I just want to remind everybody, we're all in this together. Let's take care of each other. We're going to have some fun today, but there's a lot of things that are happening that are not a lot of fun, so we've really got to take care of each other.
Absolutely.
So let's go through that first scenario. So you're going to be moving, and you've got a pickup truck, but it's not big enough for everything you need to haul. So you borrow your friend's trailer, and you don't have a lot of experience with the trailer, but you need to get onto 94, and you're driving along, and you look to your right. You think that everything's clear. But as you make that lane change, you end up hitting the side of a car with that trailer. That car spins out and that person gets seriously injured. So they are going to bring a case against you. So case or no case against your auto insurer for causing that crash.
That's not a good scenario. I think there's a case totally against me.
Yeah, there is a case against you. So even though you're driving this trailer that's owned by somebody else, it's attached to your car, so you're responsible for what happens while you're driving that trailer. Here's another scenario. Case or no case against your friend's auto insurer, the guy who gave you the trailer to use.
On that particular end, I'm thinking there's no case.
Yeah, so even though he loaned you the trailer, it's not a separate vehicle, so there's probably not a case against your friend's auto insurer, your friend who owned the trailer.
Yeah, I've learned a lot since I've been doing this with you. So, and remember, if you ever need to know if you have a case or no case, be sure to dial the 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.